We are a little bit different in that we're a party company. We sell everything direct to customers. We make the best candles in the world, quite honestly. We brought AssurX in to the company for a number of different reasons. First of all, we had a real problem when I came to the company with, we call them damaged material reports, but what it really was off-quality product in our DCs. And we needed a way to disposition them efficiently and determine what we could do with the costs involved with that, and eventually charge them back to the vendors if it was their fault. Our first solution in AssurX was to build what we called a DMR system. And it was completely done by ourselves. We didn't have any help from professional services in this case. It was easy to use. It was a good application. Our planners liked it. But then we came back and said, well, what else could we do with the application? We know it's very flexible. So we do burn tests on all of our candles. Every time we make a candle, we do a burn test. We put all of the results on pieces of paper or into spreadsheets, and there was nothing we could do with that, nothing at all. We wondered if AssurX could be a solution for that. And over the course of about 3 or 4 months working with our technicians in the factory, they built a very, very powerful solution. What that meant to us in terms of bottom line is saving $4 million too. So we put $4 million right on the bottom line because we were able to reduce our defectives that go out to our customers. I rarely hear complaints from the field anymore about quality. Not anything compared to what it was 4 years ago. We had a manual method for product development in our factory. We thought that since the solution works so well for burn testing, we could do the same thing for new product development. We see it being used in a very large number of ways. I'm very happy with it.